In this video, we will show you how to replace your EGR tube. Let's get started. To replace the EGR tube, part of it is going to be up along the top rear of the engine. The other part's going to be down on the driver's side manifold. It's a little bit harder to get to down there, so that's where we'll start. Let's safely raise and support the front of the vehicle so we can make our way under. From under the vehicle, carefully make your way up along the exhaust. You're going to find the EGR tube leading directly into the manifold. We'll use an 1 1/16 wrench to break this free and remove it from the manifold. Now at this point, I have the bottom loose enough that it's ready to come out of the pipe. It won't actually lift up and out of here yet because we have to make our way back up top, fully remove the top area, and then we can bring this out and through along the top of the engine compartment. From up top, along the back side of the engine, you're going to find that you have a metal bracket that protects the EGR tube. Along the driver's side of it, you'll find one 10mm headed bolt. Remove that bolt and then make your way over towards the passenger side. Remove the bracket. With the bracket out of the way, we can move along to removing the EGR tube from the EGR valve. We'll continue using our 1 1/16 wrench. Let's carefully remove the tube from the vehicle. If when you were removing your EGR tube, you found that it came out with the adapter that's supposed to be mounted to the manifold, you're going to have to remove the adapter. To do that, I would continue with my 1 1/16 wrench. I'll hold on to the flange, continue on with a 1-inch socket, turn this counterclockwise to remove it. Next, you want to make sure you clean the threads on this and remount it to the manifold. Assuming your adapter did come out, we'll put this in place and make sure it's nice and tight with our 1-inch wrench. Okay friends, let's get ready to install our brand new EGR tube. We'll take this and carefully slide it in place along the back side of the engine. Slide the tube into the EGR valve and start on the fitting. You don't want to tighten this yet until you make your way down to the bottom and start it on down there as well. From underneath the vehicle, we can continue on by starting that EGR tube onto the manifold. We'll make sure we start this on by hand. Once we get it snug enough, we can continue on with our 1 1/16 wrench. Right there's bottomed out. Let's make sure it's nice and tight. From up top, we'll continue on by snugging up the fitting that leads to the EGR valve. Right there's bottomed out. Make sure that's nice and tight as well. Now we can install our bracket. Start in both of your mounting bolts and then snug them up. Okay friends, we fully installed our EGR tube. At this point, go ahead and start up the vehicle. Let it run for a little while. Make sure you don't have an exhaust leak. No check engine light. After that, take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.